Talk to it.
Hey. Hey, it's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. Hey. Hi, viewers. So, today today at night, I'm holding this bird. For the first time, it's not hurting me.
It's never hurt you. It's wild from out in our porch.
I want to hold it.
And I got you to hold it, huh?
And I want to pet it.
You can try, but it might frighten it and fly away again. You want to bring it up to your face a little closer?
So, this bird
is a wild bird.
It's a really wild bird. And I never held a bird before.
And you know, if it was a pet bird, it probably would be biting you. That's the funny thing about birds. But this one trusts us because we helped it.
Does it want to bite?
You never know. If it gets scared enough, don't point your finger at it.
Oh, no, wait. I want to still pet it. I want to hold it still.